Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to disable audio video call on Messenger using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. You want to scroll down until you see Messenger. So just go ahead and click on Messenger. And once you've done that, you want to click or turn off the switch for microphone and for the camera. Okay, so that's it. That's so simple, right? So that is how you disable audio video call on Messenger using your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.